Today we're going to build a Lego, and it's 911 Porsche, and it's same like my daddy car, but his one is white color, and my daddy one is gray color. I'm going to show you guys. We're going to put like over here. Let's put it down. Whoa. Wow! Yeah! We already finished, and here is the front panel, and here is the doors, and actually this can open. Oh, yes, it can open. Yeah, it can open. Oops, I didn't destroy. And here is the back with the motor. Needs a spin. It can spin it, and here's the engine, but actually the back is inside. Actually the motor is can see inside. Not again. Okay, never mind. The door can open, and here's the steering, and here's the brakes, and this is the chair. So yeah. So we're going to fix it back now. Oh my gosh, not again. Okay, never mind. We're going to buy, you know what we're going to buy? It's at the Lego shop. Okay, and now we're going to say bye-bye. Bye, but subscribe in our channel first. Click the bell button. See you next time. Bye. Peace.